Very good morning to all of you. You are most welcome again in this session. Today I am going to teach polygons of class 6. Okay. So before learning this, we are going to discuss about some points. Okay. First is that is straight line. What is straight line? When you draw a line with the help of a scale, is called straight line. Okay. When we draw a line with the help of a scale is straight line, and it has 2 points, 8 points you can take, and you can give any name A, B. Okay, this is a part of line segments. Line segments already we know. In previous video we have discussed about. And curve, what is curve line? When you draw a line using a point, suppose that this is a circle and you draw only this type of line, this is a curved line, that is a curve. That is a curve. Now closed figure, when a figure is what is the, if the starting point and the last point is same, we have started to draw from a point A and comes to the A again, or if I start from this point and again we came to the same point, that is a closed figure. Suppose that I am taking, that is I start from here, also come here, then that is a closed figure. Okay, figure is closed. It means the starting point and the end point is equal, same. And now open figure. What is open figure? When the starting point and the end point is not same. Here one starting point is A and end point is B. Both are not same. Suppose that I am taking again, starting point is this, and this type of figure is a open figure. Okay. Now we talk about simple closed figure. What is a simple closed figure? When a closed figure don't cut, in a closed figure, when the line don't cut itself, when the line don't intersect itself, is called, it means this is a figure and it does not cut itself. Okay, the starting point is this and the end point is same. Starting and end points are same, then the figure is simple closed figure. Okay, so in simple closed figure, when we use 3 or more than 3 line segments, according to that we divide that in a polygons. Okay, first we discuss about polygons. When 3 or more than 3 line segments are used to make a closed figure, simple closed figure is called polygons. In simple, we say that poly means many and gons means sides. Okay, so that is when we take 3, at least you have to take 3 sides, then you can make a polygon or closed figure. In 2 sides we cannot make a closed figure, that's why we take at least 3 sides. And polygons also divided in this according to the sides, number of sides we divide polygon. When 3 sides are taken, the name is, according to the angle we name it. How many angle? 1, 2, 3. That's why you know already this type of figure is known as triangle. What is triangle? And how many angle? 1, 2, 3, 4. That is said quadrilateral. What is? That is a quadrilateral. Quadrilateral. Triangle 3 sides, quadrilateral 4 sides, and then according to the angle we know the name. There are how many angles? 5 angles. That's why it is a pentagon. What is pentagon? That is 5 means penta. Penta stands for 5. You know already. So that is pentagon. And here how many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 angle. That's why it is known as hexagon. What is hexagon? And now where the 7 angles are given, that is hexa, then hepta. What is heptagon? 7 angle here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. That is 6 and 7. It may be 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 is not 7 angle. That is one, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. In 7 angle, that is heptagon, triangle, quadrilateral, penta, hexagon, heptagon, octagon, then octagon 8 angles. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Hexagon, heptagon, octagon, and at last penta, hexa, hepta, octa, and nona. Okay. Now we divide the chapter. Okay. First we have learned about the straight line. When any line is drawn with the help of scale is called, that is straight line. And the curve, you know, when the straight line is a little curve. In curve sector, when we draw, that is its curve. And the closed figure, when the starting point and the end point of a figure is same, that is known as closed figure. And open figure, when the starting point and the end point both are not equal, both are not same, that is called open figure. And when we talk about the closed figure, that is simple closed figure. When the lines don't cut each other, that is called a simple closed figure. And a simple closed figure in we talk a polygon, when 3 or more than 3 sides make the simple closed figure, that is says polygons. And when three angle, the closed figure which contains 3 angles, that is said, that is triangle. And 4 angle, that is quadrilateral. 5, that is pentagon. 6, that is hexagon. 7, heptagon. 8 angle, that is octagon. 9 angle, that is nonagon. Okay. The decagon also when the polygons contain 10 sides. Okay, but in your book only till octagon has been given. Okay, so now you can answer the exercise whatever given on your book. Okay, now I see you in the next video. Till then, have a good day. Bye.